Okay, so now it's time for React route. In this video, we'll understand what is React route. So I hope you kind of got the idea, but let me just show you what is this. So yeah, React route. It uses a React router term and navigate from one page to another page. And what's it? Let's understand. So first, how it works. Suppose you have a website which have two pages, like one is index page, another one is about page. If you want to navigate from index page to about page, you need a link or anchor tag, what we call it in HTML. So to navigate from one page to another page, we need route, and that's it. That's everything about route, because that's what route is. We use route to navigate from one page to another page, suppose from index page to about page. And now we will see how we can use route in our React project. But before that, you have to install a package. And what is that? Let's see. So as you can see, you have to install this React router DOM package. You can install it by using npm. Just copy this, and I'm in my terminal, inside the project folder. Let's paste it and let's enter. So now it will install the package. So when the installation is done, we can use that package, the React router DOM package, and by using this package we will see and how we can navigate from one page to another page and how we can implement this route inside our project. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and make sure you enjoy it, because you have to enjoy this process to learn it. And like this video, and also subscribe to my channel for this types of free content and free tutorials. Thank you guys. See you soon.